My name is Rohan, and I'm here to teach you guys the wheel bouncer. By the end of the video, you guys will be able to balance the tire and put the weight down properly. So before we start, I'd like to state some safety rules. First, you must wear the safety belt. It's primary to the stop because something goes wrong, you flies out and protect your face, and you don't want to hit your eyes. Second, you must not wear loose or baggy clothing because it could slow you down, get in the way while spinning tires. You should also tuck in these hoodie drawstrings for the same reason as the baggy clothing. Also, if you have long hair, you should tie it back because while spinning, you don't want to get caught in the shaft. Also wear closed-toed shoes because when you're carrying the tire, you don't want it to drop on your feet and get injured. Alright, I'm going to put this tire on the ground. I'm going to take a cone from here and see which one fits. Put it through. This one is the one that fits. So take this cone, put it through. Now that we got the cone on here, we need to lift this tire and place it on here. I my friend lick it, hold it. Now that I lick it, hold the tire, I have a lock nut here and push it pressure through. Right here, and I just click the red lever. Now it's tight, we have to turn the machine on. Once you hear the noise, the machine is on. So we take the distance measure, place it right under here. Place it right under here. We got 98. Then we take the caliber, place it in the same spot right here. And we got 6.5. Once you get the number, you put it on here. Then for this number, you look on the tire for 3 numbers. On here, it's R16. So use the 16. Now there you go, set. You have to balance it by spinning it. So there are multiple ways of doing this, but I prefer putting both hands on each handle and giving it one big spin. Like that. Now you can see, one side is one pound, the other is 2. Alright, now you have to find the weights for each. You have to turn this tire until it becomes the green light in the center. When you get to green, step on the pedal to stop in place. Now that we got the weight, we have to hammer it right in the center. Make sure it's firmly in place. Now, you get the 2 pound weight. Now we got the 2 pounds. Next, you have to do the same thing on the right side to make sure it's on green. Put it at the top, in the center, and you hammer it in place. Now it's firmly in place. Just spin it once again. When you stop it, press the pedal. Don't use your hands. As you can see, it's 0 pounds on both sides. It is successfully balanced. Now, because this is just an example, I'm going to take the weights off. You use this hammer, put it into the groove at the top. A small little hole, you put this into it. Flip it, and then you bring it down. You put it back. To the other side, and do the same thing. You put it here, it's back. Then, I need to call my friend Licketh. Now that I have my friend Licketh holding the tire, press the red button once again. This is right here. Then take the tire. Now take the cone, put it back, press on here, and we're done. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.